Gets me every time.
Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Prototype here, and welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to get the Explorer maps. Explorer maps are basically maps that shows you the location of the Ocean Monument and the Woodland Mansion. So if you don't know what a Woodland Mansion is, it's basically a rare structure that spawns in the roofed forest. This is the only place where the Evoker, the Vindicator, and the Vex spawns. So you'll need 3 items for this. You'll need the compass, the emerald, and paper. And of course you'll need a cartographer. So they look like this. A villager wearing a white robe. Once you've got all of that, go to the cartographer and press trade. Now give him paper for 1 emerald. Now bubble particles will start to appear. Once you've done that, another tab will show up. So we need 1 compass now for 1 emerald. So bubble particles will start to appear. After a while, the 3rd tab shows up. So you'll need 7 emeralds for an empty map. So the bubble particles will start to appear once again. And then the Ocean Explorer map and the Woodland Explorer map will appear. So you'll need to give him 20 emeralds and 1 compass, and 16 emeralds and 1 compass for the Ocean Explorer map. Now you'll have yourself the Woodland Explorer map and the Ocean Explorer map. So that's me over there, and that's the Ocean Monument. That's me over there, and that's the Woodland Mansion. So that's basically the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.